Hey everyone, Madonna here, and this is Blaise. His back's been playing up. So what's been going on with it?
Well, Friday, so today is Monday, so before the weekend, woke up with a crook back.
Right.
And I went, oh, geez. And it's been sort of sore ever since. I've been on the flavonoids and the magnesium.
Okay.
And it's better, but it's still hanging around a little bit. And I suspect there's something structural or emotional in there.
Yeah, okay. So we'll do we'll just see if there's any survival pattern and celestial circuit or anything out, and if not, we'll flip him over and do some NOT. So we'll just have a look. Because, of course, if the stress is there, then it's going to be pulling the structure out. So we'll just sort of see. Is the whole COVID-19 thing stressing you?
Yeah.
You're okay with it?
We're quite lucky.
Australians or you and Sarah?
Me and Sarah.
Yeah.
There are plenty of Australians who've lost their houses and whatever. You know, we're doing okay.
Yeah.
Even like within travel as she is.
Yeah. His wife sells cruises, so that industry has pretty much been decimated at the moment and is costing so much. It's causing so much hate and anger and frustration. It's like it's an industry that's really copping flack at the moment.
Yeah, no one cares about the planes.
Yeah.
In the same story, they say, they just let me off the cruise ship. Anyway, then I got on a plane and went over to London. I was, what?
Yeah. Yes.
Whatever.
Okay. So, but generally it's not stressing you, but it's there all the time.
Oh, yeah. I mean, life just kind of sucks at the moment.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Feels like it's on pause, but the pause is not the... it's sort of like in Groundhog Day when he says, I spent a day on a beach once, drinking pina coladas. Why didn't I redo that day every day? Yeah, so no surprise. Your adrenals are going. This one's survival switching.
Okay.
Hold. Yep, that's deep survival. Hold. And that's hidden deep survival. So yes.
Yeah, survival, deep survival.
Yes.
Deep survival.
So your brain's aware of it, your brain's trying to hide it from yourself, and your brain's going to assume it's going to be there for the rest of your life. And this little dude, this is Teddy. He's just going to be helping out. Hey, beautiful boy. Hold out. So the anterior cingulate gyrus it's that part of the periventricular survival system that's to do with picking on yourself when things are tough.
Oh, yeah.
So even with your back being out, do you feel like you're not doing as much as you would normally do, or?
Oh, you mean even if my back was fine?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Went on a cruise for a week and I wasn't overly happy.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm going on a holiday and I'm not overly happy. I started thinking about bloody playing games and making games, and I'm like, I don't enjoy any of this crap.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, making YouTube videos. I don't have a desire to make YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you had for a while, obviously. You're just reevaluating things?
Yeah, a bit. If I completely isolated myself from my family, maybe I should get COVID.
Yeah.
But if I completely isolated myself and dedicated myself to a craft of either playing games, making content, or making games, then I could probably do it. But I can't manage a lifestyle where I kind of just do it at a productive rate and also be a good father and husband.
Yeah.
And worker.
Yeah.
Like, maybe I could stay up after my family has gone to sleep and then wake up buggered and go to work buggered. I guess the eventual goal with all of that is hopefully one day this can replace my work.
Yeah.
And then I will have a work-life balance again. But in the meantime, it's just extra work. And I don't know, for any of you gamers out there watching, have you noticed that games nowadays, everything's competitive? Everyone's trying to be a pro Twitch gamer, and I'm like, I can't handle it. I
Yeah.
don't have 60 hours a week to maintain a skill level that puts me in the upper echelons that makes me a good game player you would want to watch. Yeah.
Oh, you found the thermometer, Teddy.
Someone check my temperature.
Yeah, it's got a button on it. It's got a button that makes a blue light when you press it. That'll be his favourite thing for the next little while. Yeah, so pretty much your periventricular survival system's freaking out a bit, and it's you know, that low-level depression, you know, so when you're not enjoying things, sometimes it is because you're not enjoying things, other it's because you're not making enough dopamine and serotonin. What are you enjoying the most at the moment?
Work.
You're enjoying work most at the moment?
Yes.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah, so, and it's not so much enjoying, it's like I find satisfaction in it, whereas I find satisfaction in little else,
Yeah, right.
you know? You know, like, I will settle for this level of happiness. I'm satisfied with my work output. Yeah, so that's good.
Yeah, and now's not the time on the planet, apparently, to be thinking, how can I enjoy my life? What would I like to do?
Maybe if I go out, oh, no.
Maybe if I spend time with friends. Oh. Maybe I should have a big party. Oh.
Yeah. Well, you know, spend time with friends. Which one? The one in Townsville, the one in Seattle, the one in Melbourne, the one in Booga Booga. I don't mean to be racist, but it is one of the Aboriginal names, and it's one of those towns that I just can't remember.
Does it start
Mergen.
with
Mergen. Except not in Mergen, near Mergen. So yeah, it's like my friends have split to the four corners.
Yeah.
What is it?
This is your heart chakra, so it's messing with your heart energy.
Oh yeah.
So there's a real heaviness, a real sadness, a real something. And yeah.
Well, as someone who plays a lot of video games growing up, I mean, still had my friends online.
Yeah.
But one of them's now in a completely different time zone.
Yeah, right.
You know, like 16 hours out or something, and it's like, oh, well, that's not going to work.
Yeah.
So, I think at about 5, actually, no, it's only 7 hours because 24 is the maximum number of hours. So once you get to 12, it starts going down. But it's like he's 7 hours forward. If it's about 5 p.m., it's about midnight for him.
Oh, yeah.
So you finish work, you hop online, and he's like, I'm going to bed. It's late. And I'm like, oh. But yeah, you know, I was looking into Overwatch and the idea of the 2021 season. You know, more expansion teams.
Yeah.
See what happens. There's enough time to sort of get good at it if you dedicate yourself a bit. There's a whole bunch of support roles.
Oh, you're going to do Daddy's temperature.
Oh, cheers, bud. What am I at?
36.7.
Oh, yeah. Cheers, Ted.
Cheers, Teddy. Good to know.
Yeah, anyway. Playing a bunch of Overwatch, but I'm sick of Overwatch. It's just... I think this was a bit of a realization, is I don't think I actually like games. Whoa, buddy. You swallow your spit.
I think he ate some of that bar. Hey, sweetie.
Buddy.
Here's some water.
Yeah, we'll edit all that out in post.
Yeah.
Yeah, just Overwatch, the people playing it, there's a bunch of people that are trying to be good, and there's a bunch of people who think that they're kind of good, but actually... And it's a full-on team game. If you're playing damage and your tank doesn't protect you and you get killed, it's like... ugh. Okay.
So how do you... So you're feeling good at work, like you're achieving something.
Yeah, it's alright.
Like the rest of the time,
Yeah.
how do you want to feel?
I don't know, I want to enjoy myself, I want to have fun. But I don't.
Because there's nothing to enjoy, or because you feel numb?
I feel numb to the things I used to enjoy.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything else.
Life is enjoyable. I feel happy. Hold. Yeah, right. Your adrenals don't believe that. Hold. Survival switching doesn't believe that. Hold. Deep survival's okay. Hidden deep's okay. Let's check your celestial circuit. And hold. Yeah, right. So your center of gravity's out.
When you say celestial circuit, is that like an electrical circuit?
It's the connection between your central meridian that feeds your conscious brain and your governing meridian that feeds your unconscious brain. So it's two meridians that if they're talking to each other, they'll lock, whereas they unlock, so they're not communicating very well. So you get stuck in survival. And it's the care factors exhausted. He's eating a breakfast bar. He doesn't have COVID. And he's being tested, just saying. Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of those things with the internet. You kind of have to explicitly say things. Yeah, he has been tested, and the tests have said that he does not have COVID. H1N1, however.
Don't joke about it.
No. You gotta be explicit about these things. Jeez. But yeah, I think I enjoy winning and socializing.
Yeah, right.
And if my friends aren't playing online anymore, because half the time they're offline, they're not playing. Or if they are playing, they're playing something else.
That's better. Oh, beautiful.
And yeah, it could be a real bummer. Because if I'm playing to socialise and none of my friends are playing, then all that's left is playing to win. I could play to enjoy myself, but
Hold out.
I get so frustrated.
Just not finding it enjoyable.
Yeah, I get so frustrated by... Look, in Overwatch there's like 30 different things to get frustrated at any one time. You know, if you're on low health and you're standing next to the healer on your team and you press the I need healing button and, you know, you're sort of hiding but you're within their sight, so they should be able to see you. The enemy shouldn't be able to see you, they should be able to see you though. And eventually just some spam damage hits you and you die because you're sitting there on 10 health for like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
That's crap. You know, main support for a while there, and that just doesn't happen around me when I play support. So you start thinking, God damn it, I can't play every role at once. What are these idiots doing? It's, you know, it's a basic human thing where you start blaming other people before you blame yourself, of course.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
But it's true, they're fuckwits, and they're not bloody healing me. Heal me, you jerks.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I enjoy life.
I enjoy life. Let's see how that goes.
And hold. Because obviously the spine, sometimes it's about that weight of the world on our shoulders. You know, so financially, you're the classic age, you buy a house, you have all this stress. Kid not sleeping as well as you could. Wife in an industry that's been decimated and has been picked on all around the world.
Yeah.
You know, it's sort of like a Bermuda Triangle.
Yeah.
So the survival patterns have calmed down, but this is inflammation, so it's creating inflammation in your body.
Okay. No, okay. High five. Down low. Well, you know, we'll have a good reason. You can't see him at the moment, but Teddy is grabbing onto one of the tripod legs. He's thinking about having a good old shake.
Yeah.
Aww.
And hold. Well, someone's just arrived that we can give Teddy to, so when I turn Blaise over, we can do part 2 and do a little bit of NOT around a couple of these stresses. Cool. See you in a minute.
Hey there.